Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to launch your website on Squarespace. I'll show you this on the web version. First, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. Head to your Squarespace dashboard, click on Settings in the left sidebar, then click Billing, and then Subscriptions. You'll see an Upgrade button. Click that. The pricing plan selection page will appear, showing your plan options. Choose your desired plan, then select whether you want monthly or annual payment. Annual billing saves you between 28 and 36% and includes a free custom domain for the first year. Enter your payment information in the form fields, review the details, and if you have a promo code, add it now. Click Confirm and Purchase. You'll see a confirmation message and your subscription becomes active. Next, you need to connect your domain. Go back to Settings, and this time click Domains. If you don't have a domain yet, you can purchase one here. If you already own a domain from another registrar, you can connect it. Squarespace will give you step-by-step instructions for updating your DNS settings at providers like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Follow those instructions, and once your domain is connected, you'll see it listed in your domains panel. Now, we're ready to publish the site. Go to Settings again, and this time, click on Site Availability. The Site Availability panel will open, showing you 3 visibility options: public, private, and password protected. Right now, your site is set to private, which means no one can see it. Click on the public option, then click Save. Your settings will save, and your website is now live and accessible to everyone at your domain. Before you're done, open an incognito browser window and type in your domain to make sure the site loads correctly. Test all your links, buttons, and contact forms to make sure everything works. Also, check how your site looks on a mobile device. Make sure the spacing, buttons, and text all look clean. Once you've verified everything works, head to Google Search Console and submit your website so Google can start indexing it faster. Squarespace automatically enables an SSL certificate for your site, which you can verify in Settings under SSL. And that's how to launch your website on Squarespace. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.